Got it. We're getting the radiator solved right now here, live. Not really live, but live. We're doing it. First thing we got to do to get this. This is the kit I have. It's a total kit from K-Tuned, and this is the actual half rad setup here. And these will have like tab. We have to use the tabs, kind of like mount it. Anyways, I'll get into it later. I've got to cut this shit off first. First and foremost, got to cut this one and this one off, and I probably will notch the support here so that everything sits flush and flat when I'm all done with this. I'll probably leave, obviously, this knob's fine, but this in here. So, that being said, further ado, let's fucking get into it and cut some stuff. This one the rest of the way, I think. We got them cut off. They're all free. So right now is we're gonna actually position the radiator, and I need to drill 2 holes. I think one here or one here or something. But basically, I gotta get everything to line up properly with the holes and everything. So I got my hoses. I'll put those on the radiator, and we'll get it all lined up, and we'll mock it up, drill the holes, and put everything together. So let's get to it. We had to take this mount off too to gain access to this hole, so I can get flat on here, and then so I could tap a punch and get my hole. So I got to start my hole here, and then after that I'll line everything up with this hole, and then I'll do my same over here. This will be all time lapse, unfortunately.
But not like time lapse set to this.
Oh no, wouldn't that be sick?
You need safety glasses?
I was looking for them, but here, I'm gonna hang off to the side.
Like Randy Savage on acid, that's very vibrant and classic. A walking disaster hazard to any rapper that's rapping. We the underground killers, but globally they feel us, cause we restoring the feeling. This guru spit voodoo, yes. I am that mass appealing, I'm feeling.
Give it all shit got. There you go. You're through. Should be good.
Boom!
Just like that. Just like that.
Alright, so that wasn't too hard. Got those mounted up. You're supposed to use 2, I think, but if I drill out 2 holes for these pieces, it's gonna like pretty much take all my material away, so it's gonna be just as weak as I putting 2 of them in. Plus I'll have the top up here, and the hoses and everything should be pretty solid. Maybe I'll throw some zip ties behind the scenes. I don't know, we'll see, we'll figure it out. I dug up this footage from the past. Gotta be honest with you, all the footage I lost I've been releasing lately, and it's not looking too bad, but it's definitely chronologically out of order. Logically, it just looks retarded. So, I mean, here you go. Here's the finished up radiator. You guys have seen the things running and everything, but for sake of the radiator installation video, a couple of things I need to go over is the temperature sensor from a B or D series motor needs to be carried over into this adapter here on your K, and you can delete all that clusterfuck right here with an adapter. I'll link it in the description. And then for your fan switch, which is one of those wires that needs to be loomed through the firewall to your fan switch, goes into the adapter hose that K-Tune provides, and you have to buy the fan switch, but the plug itself you should reuse from your actual old radiator. So that kind of covers everything coolant system wise. Now once you get into K-Pro, you'll want to actually set the temperature to like what you want the fan to come on. Since it's a single fan, I have mine set at 185, but something's not right, so it's just on all the time, which isn't good. It'll burn through the fan and shit, so I need to fix that. So it's something I need to fix for my coolant system. Otherwise though, it's hot out and it's not overheating. Really haven't driven it far, but to Phoenix, but nothing like California or anything yet. Radiator solution. Moved from the passenger side to the driver's side for your Kswap for a single radiator. It's probably the cheapest, easiest solution. I'd recommend it. Would do it again. I don't know about for turbo setups or whatnot, but this is just to get the Kswap in there. You can figure that out later. You might have to redo some stuff. So with radiator solution enclosure now, and if there's any other questions, I guess comment below. But without further ado, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on this journey of growing the channel. I'll be here for a minute. Thanks for watching, guys.